What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're not even working on one of our own cars today, which is fine. We have nothing to do on our cars. It has been hot all week, like 95 and humid, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, which to me it wasn't bad, but to everyone else it was really hot. And I work in a service shop, so all the techs were not happy this week. But today we have a friend with an Evo 10 that his roof on his car is very sun faded and he wants to wrap it black. So I'm gonna wrap it black for him. So I'm gonna prep his roof, clay bar it, all that stuff, slap the wrap on there. Just kidding. I'm gonna take my time. I have all my wrapping stuff. I used to like wrapping and then I kind of like got out of it and didn't really push it. So this gives me a little bit of an opportunity to just kind of like ease back into it. I really want to wrap a whole car, but so it's funny because I personally don't like wraps on vehicles. Like, I would never wrap my Mustang. I would never wrap any of my own cars unless if it was a Miata. If I had a Miata, I would wrap my Miata because it's a Miata. But so I like wrapping, but I don't want to wrap any of my cars, if that makes sense. First thing I'm going to do actually is move my car out of the shop and do it on this side. And we have some family members with some cars on the other side of the shop. And I would much rather do it around our stuff than anybody else's. So I'm going to move this outside. It might rain on it. Frankly, I don't care. It's ceramic coated, so it is what it is. It's already dirty, so. First things first, it was pouring rain outside when he showed up, so we took the roof moldings off, dried everything, and then used the air compressor to blow all the cracks, everything out. And before I started, I just wanted to make sure that he ordered enough wrap. So I got it out of the tube, unwrapped it, and laid it down, made sure that there was overhang too, because obviously you don't want to buy the exact size. After making sure there was enough, I obviously rolled it back up and clay barred the roof. I did not get a video of me clay barring the entire roof, but basically just wanted to remove all the extra dust and dirt before laying the actual wrap and taking the backing off, just so that there wasn't dust speckles all over it. I lifted up and pulled the edges as much as I could just to get all the big wrinkles out, and then I started going in with my little squeegee to squeegee out all the bubbles. I did this without heat at first, and then afterwards I started hitting it with a heat gun just to activate the adhesive in it so that it stuck better to the roof itself. I did lay down knifeless tape for this, but I've never personally used it before and it wasn't working correctly or to my liking, so I ripped all the knifeless tape off and just cut off the excess by hand.
Rainbow, Obviously, don't forget to tuck your edges, lay down your corners flat. If you have the ability to take the roof moldings off, definitely do that so that you don't have any edges possibly peeking out on the roof itself. And here is the finished product. His pillars still looked a little rough, so Brendan was wet sanding and polishing them.
And I'm only doing this for like 5,000.
As always, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to turn on notifications, share with your friends. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers, which is huge because at the beginning of this year, I think I was just over 1,000. So share with your friends. Just trying to get my content out there.